Fucking love like Costa Rica, but it makes you forget the real love. Spending the days drinking tequila. You think you live the pura vida. You think you live the pura vida. You fucking love like Costa Rica.
一出門口都未行出去啊！落超級大雨，完全出唔到門。落緊冰雹啊！唔係落雨啊，落冰雹啊！嚟到呢邊停咗雨，竟然〜喺我屋企嗰邊落狗屎落到，跟住過嚟呢邊停咗雨，唉，風平浪靜。英國嘅天氣，你好嘢。We're at Sarah's house。今晚係過嚟大家一齊跨年。今日已經係31號啦。今晚我哋7點鐘喺呢度呢，就會有一個聚會，都係同學之間嘅聚會啫。所以嚟嚟去去都係我哋幾個。咁今晚係7點鐘開始嘅，而家大概係5點鐘出頭，跟住我哋就會一齊煮啲嘢食，等大家到我哋再一齊開始。新年快樂，大家！This chef is working really hard.
It looks like I'm working hard, but you don't know if I'm making any mistakes or not. If one person says it's delicious, that's a success.
I'll say it.
So we already have one reservation.
Yeah.
For saying success. What if I'm ruining it?
No.
It'll be fine.
You won't.
Basically putting everything to make sure it's...
That's what cooking is.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
So how do we do it? How? Susan?
That's right.
That's right. That's right, Jamie. We put it on this, and we this.
Massage it?
Yeah, massage.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna have an interview with the assistant chef. What are you feeling about the meal?
Yeah, I think it will be really, really good.
Inner monologue.
Yeah, and
Inner monologue.
it's not enough to me. Oh.
No, man, it's like this. Tutu, inner monologue.
This is awesome. Good?
How is she lying in her inner monologue? For the test.
This is experiment.
Anna, what do you have to say to all your fans?
Hi, fans.
Meanwhile, what's happening in the cooking corner?
Yeah, just mix it.
And I made more.
Dip it into the sauce.
So cool.
And then put it into somebody's mouth.
They're doing some kind of cooking show and he's the professional cameraman.
Sarah, what are you feeling about this cooking show happening in your house?
Is it inner monologue or not?
What's the difference?
Outer monologue, go.
I feel so grateful that it's happening in my
Okay,
place.
inner monologue.
Inner.
I need them to stop the wait.
Anna, can you explain to the audience what you're doing?
Oh, I'm putting the frosting on top of my carrot cake. This is the first time ever I make carrot cake, but I get a lot of carrots.
Hey,
Yeah, I thought that it would be a nice thing to do.
it looks great. Holy shit.
你来，换人。
We're back to the chefs.
You don't accept American Express.
Try the frosting.
I do, yes. How? It's okay. Confused really fast. Yeah, I got in there and they're like, oh, we don't take that. And I was like, well,
Hi, everybody's spraying
Someone
colors.
listen to you.
Yay!
Hello.
Want to try my frosting?
By the way. Oh my god.
Strong opening.
Very strong opening.
Oh, I just imagine the show just starting with Anis.
You want to try my frosting?
This is how you join the event. That's nice. Why?
It's sweet.
She doesn't like sweet things. That's it. Is that like pancake?
It's buttery.
I like it.
Hi.
We're both acting MFA International.
She was in Christmas Carol show.
Yeah.
Oh,
She was the younger daughter.
去那个布达都是第二附中上学了。
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm confused because mom works in I didn't know that my Korean colleague could speak Mandarin.
My mom's a Korean history professor, and she did like a study abroad thing.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's so amazing. Oh my god. We,
I will teach you.
I still miss like Hu Jiaochang and like
Yeah, really.
yeah.
I miss the food.
I mean, don't get me started on the food.
Where?
There's no such thing
Shanghai.
as 6 degrees of separation. There's like
Yeah, let's go.
I'm hungry.
Bon appetit.
Yay.
Yeah, let Tutu get the film. This is so international.
Yeah, can I have some?
No, it's literally.
I like
food,
that.
isn't it? Yeah.
The Cantonese and Malay have different, how do you say, grammar.
Oh. I'm gonna go card cake.
We're like doing a team news show or something.
It's me,
Got
it's not you, like,
papers, got the word. Yes. Hello guys, this is Today the weather will be mostly cloudy
My plate is disgusting.
with a lot of rain.
I felt like he was getting annoyed. I don't remember, like his mentor.
So many.
Yeah, but Tutu was like, sir, please. I'm sorry about the English education system, but we didn't, it's not our
Monthly keywords. I'm coming back to that later. They I can't remember what I did in January. I don't know what I did in
Kuna.
January.
Yeah,
I would say something like hard.
January was like 12 months ago. How?
Yeah.
When did you come back? When did you
I just arrived.
지금 온 거야?
I miss them guys. I am the one that opened the door.
I was actually scared. The door is open.
Oh yeah, I thought it was a complaint. Look at this guy.
Daddy Joe. I've never heard one of the Daddy Joe.
Gino's daddy.
Actually, I didn't practice. It's old version, yeah. Do you have a name, or can I call you mine? Alana, do you have name?
Alana, do you have a name? Like he said a few times, like Alana, okay, Alana. What's your name? We were trying to get Panda. We spent a lot of money, but we never made.
We spent so much money.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, in a few years, you're gonna forget about the story and you're just gonna be like, yeah, it's Panda, it's nice.
Right?
Nice panda.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna stay with you forever.
Interview. How do you feel about that story?
I wanna kill myself.
So we still need to name this panda.
Matthew.
option, but I'm not fully satisfied.
Cinnamon roll.
That's too long, don't you think?
Yeah, so
Super shy.
because I thought that it's a so we were supposed to do warm up like
Oh, so cute.
wake up.
Is this too hot? Too hot.
Yeah, it's it's my melodies. It's my melodies.
Teach him.
Watch me while I bring it out. Watch me while I
Bring it out.
Watch me while I bring it out. Work it out.
I'm gonna unbox this thing. I bought from China. And I asked her girlfriend to bring it all the way to me.
Why is it a casket?
I bought a lot of stuff. My roommate in China, she wrapped everything in this bathrobe. Okay, so this is the bathrobe. When I was a kid, I bought them. And also a top. Give me a kid of Dionysus. Yeah, because I really like this, and I don't like fluffy things. Okay, and so I feel like I'm obviously a kid of Athena. I got you. Checked it on it. A panda.
Oh my gosh!
That
Oh my gosh!
all the way from China.
Oh my god.
Would you like to show it to the camera? It matches, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Show it.
Oh. And actually, there are more.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh your gosh.
Oh my god!
You should come to Sichuan, China.
Yeah, my hometown.
Chengdu.
Come to me.
Yeah.
I maybe stay Chengdu.
This is so cute.
Which one should I put?
Yeah, you can have everything.
Oh, it's
So cute, isn't it?
这是那个是吧？这是那个
花花吗？
花花。
Yeah, this is 花花。
Hawa is the most cutest one, right?
She's the
Yeah.
most popular.
哦，
你有幻觉吗？就看到小人跳。
没有，就是上比赛
见小人。
但是见有心了。
哦
I think I have
，Panda fashion.
Oh yeah.
好装啊！
I love this color.
我以前可能还会。
Oh, is that a nail?
Yeah.
一个橙色的，一个是
Your
蓝
face
色的
is。red.
真的。
I got a new phone case.
Oh my god, I fucking love this.
I love this picture.
This is fucking amazing.
I'm not good. I'm not.
How do you control this?
Oh,
Oh, you have to hit it hard.
this year.
You suck. You cry.
Oh.
哦，
Pretend not.
另一个手机壳
是不是这个？是不是也错
是一个
Days, it's
黑色和美
Well,
红色。
my time, it was like 1 and 9 months. 1 year and 9 months. No, I didn't do it. It's for men, so like.
喜欢。Keep that. This is the winner. Oh no way.
Disappears.
Whoa.
Let me see that.
Okay, Shane.
I've been ready to go there, but I'm.
This year everyone is trying to take picture of it, so nobody.
Oh. We got 4 minutes.
We got 4 minutes. Maybe it's gonna show like 10, 9, 8, right?
You hope so.
It's like me. I'm the one who brought these.
it's the time. Happy New Year!
You fucking love like Costa Rica, but it makes you forget the real ya.